Everyone tells you one thing: kill your emotions if you want to succeed. But listen to me carefully. If emotions were weak, why do they control your decision? Why do they make people rich? And why do they destroy others? Here is the truth nobody tells you. Emotions are not killing your life. Your wrong use of emotions is. Today I will show how the same emotion can destroy one person and make another person unstoppable. So don't blink. This message can change how you see your pain forever. Emotions are like fuel. If you burn fuel without direction, you get fire and distraction. But if you use fuel with purpose, you get power, speed, and success. So the problem is not emotion, the problem is direction. Imagine two persons, both are hurt, both are emotionally broken, both feel pain in their heart. But their choices are different. First person, someone hurts him badly. He locks himself in a room. He cries every night. He escapes into drugs, bad habits, or excuses. He keeps asking, why me? His emotions become his prison, not because emotions are bad, but because he wastes them. Now look at the second person. Same pain, same broke heart, but he says, I will not waste this pain. He uses emotions as a fuel. He puts that pain in his goals. He works when he doesn't feel like working. He grows when others quit. And one day, the pain that almost broke him becomes the reason he wins. Same situation, same emotions, different results. Why? Because one person escaped pain and other person used pain. Listen carefully. There is a young man, no goals, no direction, living on his father's money, wasting nights, wasting life, a useless routine. One day, he sees his father standing in the front of someone. His father is asking for help. That moment hits his heart like a knife. He feels shame, he feels anger, he feels pain. But this time, something changed. Instead of running away, he says, I will never let this happen again. That emotions give him direction. He starts working hard, he learns skills, he respects time. And every time he thinks about quitting, that painful moment comes back. And he stands up again and he works harder. That emotions becomes his never-ending motivation. Not motivation from videos, not motivation from people, but motivation from inside. And internal motivation never dies. People says be emotionless. No, be emotionally smart. Don't kill emotions, control them, train them, use them. Here is three rules to use emotion in right way. Rule number 1. Feel it, don't run. Pain is real. Avoiding it makes you weak. Face it, accept it, but don't live in it. Rules number 2. Turn your pain into action. Pain with action creates strength. Pain without action creates depression. Choose wisely. Rule number 3. Connect emotion to goal. Attach emotion to discipline, hard work, growth, not to excuses, not to bad habits. Your emotions are not your weakness, they are your weapon. Use them in the wrong way and they will destroy you. Use them in the right way, nothing can stop you. If this message woke something inside you, don't scroll away like nothing happened. Subscribe for content that makes you stronger, not comfortable. Like this video if you are done wasting your pain. Share this with someone who is fighting silently. Remember this. Don't kill your emotions, use them and become unstoppable. Thank you for watching.